Hi guys, this is Sensamine3 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the new Windows 10 technical preview. So Microsoft released a new operating system and they called it Windows 10. And so basically, how you get it is you go to preview.microsoft, or no, .windows.com, and it brings you to this page, and you basically have to join the Windows Insider program. And then you just click join now. You just give them an email and you'll be able to download the technical preview. Now once you're done downloading it, you should probably put it on a test computer. I don't necessarily recommend putting it on your main computer, just because it is a technical preview and it is going to be buggy, and they're going to constantly be releasing new updates and new builds. Right now this is build 9841. So let's get started here. So pretty much so far it looks pretty much the same as Windows 8. You know, it still has the Metro UI. One thing they did change, a couple things, was the new Metro UI icons. If you could look down here, the new File Explorer icon, and if you go here, they changed some other icons, like this removable disk icon. But they still haven't changed all of them yet, but I think they're going to change it in the final release. So yeah, this is basically how they look. Another difference in its look is the borders around different windows. They kind of remove them and just put a top border but no like bottom or side borders, and instead they put a shadow behind it, which I'll show you later. And one huge thing they added was that they brought back the start menu. So this is the new start menu. You know, it has your power options over here, your Windows tiles over here, and your regular old school start menu with all your apps and programs and everything. And you can add, you can pin new items to the start menu. Like, say I want to pin this thing to start, you can pin it like that, and you can move it around, and you can resize it too. Different apps have different sizes. I'm just going to unpin this, and you can resize the start menu too if you wanted to. You can resize it to any size you want. I'm just going to leave it there. So that's the start menu, and the background color also changes with the theme of Windows, the theme that you have installed. So that's the appearance. Oh, and let me just show you the shadow I was talking about. So let's say we just type something. So if you notice, behind this little message box there's a shadow. Every other window also has that shadow. It's just not as visible if it's on like a colored background, but if it's on a white background you'll easily notice it. And we're just going to click Don't Save here. And another thing they added here was a search option, which basically searches the whole internet for anything. So let's just type in anything, and yeah, it'll bring up everything you want. So like, let's say anything to MP3. If you click it, it brings up to this Bing search app, and yeah, and then you can search different things from here. One other huge thing that they added, which I really liked the fact that they added it, is called Task View. And basically, if you just click this, it shows you all the things that are open right now. And let's say you can add another desktop, which is basically another workspace switcher, and you can open things here. You can open like this control panel and everything, and then you go back, and then you can go back to your other desktop, which is a pretty cool feature, I think, that they added. Let's just close these, and yeah, that's pretty much it. They're going to keep releasing more and more updates and more builds, so if you want to go get it, I definitely recommend getting it and checking it out, because it's a pretty cool new thing. They also had command prompt. They did some changes to it. You can actually resize it to any size you want, because before it would only be like, if you press the maximize button, it wouldn't maximize to like full screen like this. It would actually just maximize. Let me try and maximize it here. Actually just maximize it like this, pretty much to this size, basically, something like that. But now you can maximize it full screen. And another thing they added, Control V now works. So let's say we type something here, whatever here, and then Control C, and if you want to Control V, it works perfectly, which is a pretty cool thing that they added. And yeah, so anyways guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Later guys.